Happy Tuesday, guys. This is Uncle Dave, and today it's Tutorial Tuesday, and I'm going to show you how to make a sandwich. So basically today we're going to start off with a line back here, and then I'm going to go and draw a diagonal line. This doesn't have to be perfect, as you can see. Then we're going to line over here, and then another line. Bread has like more of a lumpy side, and you can basically what I call carve. You see that? And then you can go over here and do the same thing. And then whenever you get an eraser, you can just go back and erase this. But right now I'm going to keep on going and showing you how to make a sandwich. Down below, we're going to do the same thing. And then in between, you can have stuff sticking out, and that will make it look like maybe there's lettuce or tomatoes. And you can always go back and color this once you get it done. There is my sandwich, and like I said, you can always go back, erase these lines, make it nicer. Erase these little lines in here, and you can color it. So that's Tutorial Tuesday, and there's a sandwich for you guys, and see you next Tuesday. And this is Uncle Dave. Bye bye.